Hello, wonderful crocheters, and welcome to day 4 of Crochet Calm, 29 days of mindful stitches. Today, let's dive into sensory exploration in crochet. As you immerse yourself in crochet, take a moment to appreciate the textures and tactile sensations of the yarn you're working with. Explore the softness, notice the variety. Is it rough or silky? Embrace the unique feel of different fibers. Sensory exploration adds depth and richness to your crochet experience, and it helps you be more mindful and in the moment. I invite you to share your favorite yarn textures or yarn brands and any unique sensations that you have discovered. Keep calm and crochet on. Hello, wonderful crocheters, and today is day 5 of our crochet journey, Crochet Calm 29 days of mindful stitches. Let's explore the theme of gratitude in our crochet practice today. As you engage in crochet, take a moment to reflect on the gratitude that you feel for this craft of crochet. Whether it's the colors, the yarn, the patterns, or the act of crocheting itself, feel and express gratitude for the joy of it. Now, I encourage you to share what you experience, what aspects of your crochet journey that you're thankful for. I am thankful for you for joining me today. Keep calm and crochet on.